Hey everyone, my name is Craig from Flying Wheels. This is my 2007 Jeep Wrangler, and this is your virtual walk-around tour. I'm going to give you a walk-around of this entire car, point out any imperfections that I can find to help you get more comfortable with it. If you have any questions or would like to see it in person, you can call me at 603-475-0277. Get more pictures and information on my website, www.flying-wheels.com. So like I said, I'm going to point out anything that I can find to help you get more comfortable so you know it before you even show up for a test drive. Now, I do a lot of Jeep stuff, so if you're into anything auto-related, make sure to subscribe as well. Now, this is a 2007 Jeep Wrangler Sport with 141,000 miles, 18-inch wheels. Now, I'm going to start off by saying, don't mind these tires. I am getting 4 brand new tires for it, as well as a full-wheel alignment this week. So by the time you get here to see this Jeep, it's going to have 4 brand new tires and an alignment done. Now, there's tons of modifications, aftermarket modifications done to this Jeep, aftermarket parts, and I'm going to show all of them to you. Starting with the grille. The grille has been replaced, upgraded, whatever you want to call it. Tinted lenses, stubby bumper. This is a Sport, but it does have the fog lights and power windows, so it does have a lot of extras added into the package, including the 18-inch wheels instead of the 17-inch wheels. It also has a 2.5-inch lift kit, on 35-inch tires. And again, those are not the tires that will be on this Jeep. When you look at it, you'll have brand new tires when you come out to see this. Now, everybody wants to know about the frame. Let's go to the frame and we'll look at it from here. There is no rot. Normal New England surface stuff, but there's no rot on it anywhere. The Jeep is clean, the Jeep is solid, and it's in good shape underneath. Four-wheel drive and four-wheel drive works. Manual transmission shifts smoothly. Clutch is in good shape. Has LED upgraded taillights that look like the 2021s. Does have the tow package. Going to the inside, we have the rear seat still. Bumpers are all in good shape. A lot of times the corner of these bumpers are all banged in. They're not. We have a little bit of a ding or dent right there, but the body is solid. Even the bottoms of the doors and stuff, when I open this hatch, is clean. No rot, no rust. Same with it down there. We'll go on this side of the frame too. Like I said, normal New England stuff for an 07, but it is still clean and in great shape. You can see the cab mounts are solid, the floors are solid, and the undercarriages as well. Going to the inside, again, no dings, no dents. Does have the military star right there. Hella fog lights too with the covers on them. Carpets have been removed. Does have the Quadratec floor mats. 6-speed manual transmission, air conditioning, power windows, Bluetooth with auxiliary, 141,000 miles. The seats are in great shape. We have one spot that was stitched right here because it was starting to tear, but otherwise no stains, no odors. Doesn't ever look like it's been submerged or anything. You usually tell by the floors. So again, if you have any questions or like to see it in person, 603-475-0277. More pictures and information on my website, www.flying-wheels.com. More pictures, and oh, I already said that. Make sure to subscribe if you're into anything auto related. Thank you very much and have a great day.